You're a real estate investor, you've probably come across the term analysis paralysis. You may even have it. If you have analysis paralysis, it always comes down to one thing. That's what I'm going to explain to you, how real estate investors get stuck in analysis paralysis. It's actually easier than you think to understand. It is only one thing: confidence. If you were confident with either your abilities to evaluate and judge homes or whatever investments you're buying, you wouldn't be stuck. But confidence comes from a lot of different things when you're starting out as a real estate investor and when you're trying to scale up to the next level as a real estate investor. I've been doing this 30 years, so it's a little bit easier for me to feel confident and take kind of educated risk based on data and other knowledge that I've gained over 30 years. But for new investors and investors operating in new markets, it's a confidence thing. So when people say I'm stuck in analysis paralysis, it's usually because they're doing too much analysis and not enough in-person viewing. So if you're not looking at houses, you're not doing anything. If you're not looking at investments in real life when it comes to real estate, you're not doing anything. You can't garner a ton out of just doing computer work, because in a tough market, nothing's going to make sense. Or as they say, pencil. Nothing's going to pencil. And the problem with becoming a spreadsheet warrior and why people get stuck in analysis paralysis, if you really want the deal, you can just adjust the spreadsheet, change a number and, ooh, look, the deal works. That doesn't mean the deal works. The deal only works if you go and you see it in person, or you have boots on the ground that can do a full evaluation and understand the market dynamics of each local area. It's not a national thing to be good at real estate investing. It's a local thing. And the only way to get confidence is to understand your local market, whether that's where you live or where you want to invest. If you want to be an out-of-state investor, you still have to be localized to the areas that you're looking in. And that's what's going to get you out of analysis paralysis. It's starting to review deals and see them, touch them, smell them, feel them if you're in the area. If not, you need somebody else to do that for you and give you real feedback about what's going on. You have to understand the blocks. And if you don't know all this stuff, you're not going to have the confidence. And then you're just going to be sitting on the sidelines telling everyone, I don't really understand. I'm just not ready to plunk money down. It's because you don't have the confidence to take your money and put it down. Where else can you get confidence? Meetups. Real estate meetups are a great way to get confidence because you build camaraderie with fellow investors who have done or are doing the same thing that you're doing. If you go to a meetup, you're likely can see one person who's done one deal, some who's done two, maybe somebody who's done 14. But by seeing that these people are just like you and they suffered the same pitfalls, analysis paralysis, that you did, you start to feel more confident because you realize you're not alone. It's one of the biggest things about real estate investing, that if you come to the table as a giver and you're really open and you're trying and you're working, real estate investors will help you. So if you want to get out of analysis paralysis, all you need to do is build up your confidence. Read books, listen to podcasts. You can listen to mine, Zen and the Art of Real Estate Investing. Thanks if you do. Or an amazing one like Bigger Pockets, which I've been on twice. Do those things, but you have to balance that with going out in person. Even if you're looking 5 states over, look at places in your town so you start to understand the dynamics of houses and multifamilies and commercial properties and self-storage. You need to know what they look like, what they feel like, what the opportunity costs are there. I hope this has been helpful. If you want our help, my team is called Streamline Properties on Market. We're brokered by eXp Realty. I'm also a real estate investing coach. You can find me at trustgreen with an E at the end.com. Think about it. Before you get yourself stuck in analysis paralysis, just ask yourself, how can I build my confidence in real life? Have a great day.